Hi, I'm Dustin Coffey, General Manager with Master Services at Knoxville, Tennessee.
My name is Chris Britton. I'm the Athletic Director at Lenoir City High School.
And I'm Aaron Simmons, the head baseball coach here at Lenoir City High School. First thing I want to say is thank you so much, Master Services, for getting this thing situated to help these kids.
Right now, we've had some issues with water getting into our indoor facility that's caused us not to really make the upgrades that we needed to. So they dedicated their time to come out and saw some French drains, put in a type of sump pump to discharge water that does get into the facility. And that will allow us to kind of take our facility to the next level, add some turf, and kind of do the things that we want to do to provide a atmosphere and a facility for our student athletes.
We just want to thank you guys so much for being able to donate your time, really, to help our kids and the student athletes in this school to better service them, to get the needs they deserve.